In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the excerpt macro in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence in your browser and logging in. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where everything begins. From here, look at the top navigation bar and click Create. A small menu will appear, and from that menu, click Page to open a fresh editor. Now click the page title field at the very top of the editor. For this first page, type macro source-release status. This is going to act as the source page where we keep our reusable content. Next, we'll add a named excerpt macro to this source page. Click the blank page body just below the title. With your cursor active, type a / followed by the word excerpt. A small menu of / command results will pop up. From that list, click Excerpt. On the right side of the screen, a macro panel will appear. Click the excerpt name field inside that panel and type Release Summary as the name of this excerpt. Now click inside the excerpt macro placeholder in the page body. This is where the reusable text lives. Carefully type the following summary. Release alpha is on track for Friday. Launch risk is medium while QA completes final checks. Once your text is in place, it's time to publish the source page. Look in the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. A small Publish window will appear. Inside that window, click the Publish button to confirm. Take a moment to verify that the published page title reads macro source-release status. Now we'll create the second page that will reuse this excerpt. Go back to the top navigation bar and click Create again. From the Create menu, click Page to open a new editor. Click the page title field at the top and type Leadership Summary-Release Status. This will be the summary page that pulls in our reusable content. Click the blank page body below the title and type a short intro line. This page pulls the latest launch summary from the source page : After you finish typing the intro, press Enter on your keyboard to move to a new line. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now we'll insert the source excerpt here. Type a / followed by the words Insert Excerpt with no space between them. When the / command results appear, click Insert Excerpt. A window will open titled Insert Excerpt. Click the source page field inside that window and type macro source-release status. As you type, search results will populate. From those results, click macro source-release status to select it. Next, click the excerpt name dropdown in the same window. From the list, click Release Summary, which is the named excerpt we created earlier. Now click Preview to make sure the connection works. Confirm that the preview shows your launch summary text. Once you're happy with the preview, click Insert. Now publish this summary page. Click Publish in the top right corner of the editor, then click the Publish button in the Publish window. Confirm that the summary page now shows the reused excerpt content pulled directly from the source page. Next, let's update the source excerpt and watch it sync automatically. In the left sidebar content tree, click macro source-release status to open that page. Near the top right corner of the source page, click Edit to reopen the editor. Click inside the excerpt macro content in the page body. We're going to replace the second sentence. Remove the existing risk sentence and type the new one. Launch risk change from medium to low after QA sign-off. Once your update is in, click Update in the top right corner of the editor to save the change. Now click Leadership Summary-Release Status in the left sidebar content tree. Confirm that the included excerpt now reflects the updated low-risk sentence automatically. The summary page now displays content pulled from the named excerpt macro on the source page. Whenever the source excerpt changes, the Insert Excerpt macro on the summary page updates as well, making the source page the single place to maintain that summary. Congratulations! You successfully used the excerpt macro in Confluence.